Okay, again, good morning, students. In the series of the active passive voice, now today we will study about the past tense. है ना, past tense active passive voice. Okay, let us start fast. First of all, the sentence in the following tense cannot be changed into the passive voice. Means these tenses will not change into the passive voice. Which are these sentence? Future continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense. These tenses will not change into the passive voice. Okay, now the pronoun. Some students get confusion about the pronoun, that how this pronoun will change. So here is the list of the pronoun. Okay, I will change into the me. I will change into the me. We, us, you remain you. He is changed into the him. She will change into the her. It will remain it. And they will change into the them. And who will change into by whom. Other WH words will remain same, like why will remain same, why, how will remain same, how. This is the table. Write down this table in your notebook. Okay, I will change into the me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them, who, by whom. Yes, correct. Let's get started from the simple past tense. Okay, see, simple past tense, the formula of the simple past tense is so simple, like simple, so simple. Okay, subject, verb, second form, and object. When we change into the passive voice, as the rules are saying, object will comes as the first and was were. See, इन द देखो क्या चीज़ होती है, इन पैसिव वॉइस वील ऑलवेज यूज वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म, एंड दिस वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म मीन्स पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. द अनदर नेम ऑफ द वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म इज द पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. पास्ट पार्टिसिपल विल नेवर कम अलोन. इट नीड्स ऑलवेज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब. मीन्स अगर पैसिव वॉइस में आप हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं यूज करते हो ना, तो द सेंटेंस विल रॉन्ग. So it is very necessary to use helping verb into the passive form, then use verb third form. Verb third form will never come alone in any sentence in the passive voice. Okay, you needs to use the helping verb into the passive voice. Okay, let's get start with the sentences or another formulas. Okay, object, was, were, verb third form, by and subject. ऑब्जेक्ट मैंने बता दिया है कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं. ओके, नाउ इन द नेगेटिव सेंटेंस सब्जेक्ट देन डिड नॉट. इन द प्रेजेंट टेंस डू एंड डज विल कम. इन पास्ट टेंस डिड नॉट विल कम. ओके, वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म एंड ऑब्जेक्ट, है ना. जहाँ पे भी डिड आता है दैट विल चेंज इनटू द वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म. हमें कोई मतलब नहीं है क्योंकि हमें तो पैसिव वॉइस में ऑलवेज वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म ही यूज़ करनी है. ऑब्जेक्ट, अब जैसे हमने डूडस को रिमूव किया था ना, वैसे ही ये डिड भी क्या हो जाएगा, रिमूव हो जाएगा. इसकी जगह क्या लगेंगे हमारे, वॉज, वर, विल कम. नॉट, वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म, बाय एंड सब्जेक्ट. इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस भी बहुत इजी है. डिड प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म, ऑब्जेक्ट एंड द क्वेश्चन मार्क. अभी मैंने बोला आपको डिड विल रिमूव, सो वॉज विल, was, were plus object plus verb third form plus by plus subject will come. Okay, let us get some examples, and you will better understand by the examples. Okay, TCS employs TCS employed 2000 engineers last year. Employed what? ED will come na, to employed what? 2000 engineer. So 2000 engineer is our object. 2000 engineers were employed by TCS last year. Okay, see the another example. Did she tell a lie? अब कौन बताएगा? Yes, did will remove. So first of all find out the object. Did she tell what? A lie. Did she tell what? A lie. So a lie is a singular. So was a lie told by her. Was a lie told by her. Okay, next sentence. Someone stolen her purse. I told you ना, someone एंड नो वन ऐसे वर्ड्स यूज होते ही नहीं है बाय के बाद में. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड आउट द ऑब्जेक्ट. स्टोल व्हाट? हर पर्स. हर पर्स was stolen. Her purse was stolen. Third form, verb third form. This is the second form, stole, and the third form, by someone. लगाना चाहो तो लगा लो, otherwise no need. Dr. Das painted this picture. So this picture was painted by Dr. Das. Okay. Who taught you mathematics? Who will change into the by whom. By whom, और जहाँ पे by आ जाता है वहाँ पे क्या लगाना है हमको? To. By whom, then helping verb, was mathematics taught to you. By whom was mathematics taught to you. Next sentence. Why did the court punish him? सो जैसा वाई दिया हुआ है वैसा का वैसा वाई आएगा, फिर हेल्पिंग वर्ब. अब देखो कैसे पता पड़ती है हमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब. फर्स्ट जस्ट सी द ऑब्जेक्ट हियर. पनिश हुम, हिम. यहाँ पे हम हुम का क्वेश्चन करेंगे. वाई विल यूज हुम हियर? बिकॉज इट्स अ लिविंग थिंग. करेक्ट, इट्स अ लिविंग थिंग. सो जब भी लिविंग थिंग होगा हम क्या क्वेश्चन करेंगे? हुम. नॉन लिविंग थिंग के साथ हम क्या क्वेश्चन करेंगे? वॉट. है ना? तो क्या आ जाएगा? कहाँ थे हम लोग? हाँ, वाई. वाई वॉज ही पनिश्ड बाय द कोर्ट? डिड ही क्लीन द रूम? सी, आपको पैसिव वॉइस में भी क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाना है. डिड ही क्लीन हिज रूम? सो डिड की जगह क्या आ जाएगा? वॉज हिज रूम क्लीन्ड बाय हिम? वॉज हिज रूम क्लीन्ड बाय हिम? ओके, नेक्स्ट. हिज फादर पेड द स्कूल फीस. पेड वॉट? द स्कूल फीस. तो यहाँ पे द भी आएगा भाई. The school fees was paid by his father. The school fees was paid by his father. The servant watered the flower plant. The flower plant was watered by the servant. The flower plant was watered by the servant. The dentist pulled out my tooth. My tooth was pulled out by the dentist. This is simple past tense. नाउ पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस देखते हैं हम. पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में क्या होता है? सिंपल होता है. सब्जेक्ट, वॉज, वर, वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म, आईएनजी एंड ऑब्जेक्ट आता है. सो अगेन हम ऑब्जेक्ट को फर्स्ट प्लेस पे ला करके वॉज वर लगाएंगे. और मैंने जैसे बताया था सिंपल प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस में आईएनजी रिमूव हो करके बीइंग में चेंज हो जाता है. लाइक प्लेइंग विल रिमूव बीइंग प्लेड, है ना? लाइक स्विमिंग इज रिमूव्ड बीइंग स्विम्ड, ऐसे करके. और वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म बाय प्लस सब्जेक्ट. ऐसे ही नेगेटिव का एग्जाम्पल जाएगा और ऐसे ही इंटरोगेटिव के फॉर्मूलाज जाएंगे. जस्ट राइट डाउन दीज फॉर्मूलाज इन योर नोटबुक. Pause the video here and write down the formulas in your notebook. Let us proceed with the examples. The milkmaid was milking the cow. Milking whom? Because the cow is the living thing, तो हम क्या क्वेश्चन करेंगे? Whom. ठीक है? The cow. Okay, the cow. The cow is the object, was being milked by the milkmaid. ठीक है? The boys were learning their lesson. Learning what? Their lesson. So the lesson is our object. The lesson were being learnt. T आएगा यहाँ पे, learnt. By the boys. Children were flying kites. Kites were being flown. Flying की third form क्या होगी? Flown by the children. Were they doing their homework? Was, because homework is the singular form, singular object. So was their homework being done by them? They will change into the them. Okay. Next, why were they writing a letter? So I told you why will come into the passive voice as remain same. Why is there? And next, letters is there, so were will come, है ना? Why were letters being written by? They will change into the them. And question mark. Okay. Why were letters being written by them? What was he doing? Okay. What was he doing? What is remain same as what here? What was being done by him? What was being done by him? Okay, next. The children were making a noise. The children were making a noise. Making what? A noise. A noise was being made. Make the change into the made by the children. Was she writing a story? Was a story being written by her? Question mark. Okay. The spectators were watching the match. The match was being watched by the spectators. Who was cooking the food? By whom the food was being cooked? By whom the food was being cooked? By whom will change instead of who. Then object is the food. Then helping verb was, being instead of ing, and cooked and question mark. नाउ जस्ट सी द पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. क्या आता है पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में? कौन सी हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज होती है? यस करेक्ट, हैड. सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस, अगेन देखो इसमें पहले से ही वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म यूज होगी तो इसमें ज़्यादा आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी कि वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म क्या होगी. ऑलरेडी वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म दिया हुआ ही है, so you can use the same verb third form into the passive voice. Only one thing you have to remember, instead of had been will come. Like in simple present tense, has have been na, just as the same had been will come into this sentence. Okay, just pause the video and write all three formulas. Okay, let us see some examples. The postman had delivered the letters. What delivered? Letters. The letters had been delivered by the postman. Easy, so simple. The bankers had already opened the gate. The gate had been already opened by the bankers. So easy. He has missed the train. The train had been missed by him. Correct. Who had invited you? देखो who किस में चेंज होगा? By whom. To the party. By whom. अब देखो सीधा सी एक one thing you have to remember कि by whom के बाद में आपको helping verb ही लगानी है. By whom had you been invited in the party? He had never visited Agra before. Agra had never been visited by him before. या फिर ऐसे भी कर सकते हो आप, आगरा हैड नेवर बीन विजिटेड बिफोर बाय हिम. बिफोर आप यहाँ पे भी लगा सकते हो, एंड में भी लगा सकते हो, बोथ आर करेक्ट. मुकेश हैड ब्रोकन द ग्लास. द ग्लास हैड बीन ब्रोकन बाय मुकेश. हाउ हैड यू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम? हाउ विल रिमेन सेम. हाउ, अब देखो यहाँ पे मैम ने मिस्टेक करी. क्या मिस्टेक करी है, कौन बताएगा? इस सेंटेंस में मैम ने एक मिस्टेक करी है. हु विल टेल? यहाँ से है, मैंने विलिंगली मिस्टेक करी थी कि बच्चे बिल्कुल कॉपी नहीं करेंगे. How had the problem been solved by you? How had the problem been solved by you? He had made several mistakes. Several mistakes had been made by him. I had finished my work before 4 p.m. My work had been finished by me before 4 p.m. Had they sold their car? Had their car been sold by them? Correct. It's up for the past tense. In the next video we'll see the future tense. Okay, just practice and write all the notes in your notebook. Okay, bye.